It's another cold start. This is very cold today. Let's see what happens. This is of course my Subaru Forester STI 2004, so central locking works, that's a good start. Oh, it's cold today. Yeah, this does have a smaller battery than stock, this car. I moved the battery to the boot area. Right, here we go. Sounding. Yeah, sounds good. This is the original exhaust on this car. Original cassette converter, original full system. It's always had a little bit of a whine to it. But it's been like that since I got it. I did replace all the cam belt bearings and things a couple of times now, I think, and it hasn't really changed it. So I think it might be the power steering pump, possibly the alternator. But yeah, I've just kind of lived with it the past 7 years, and it's not got any worse. Yeah, it was a bit hard to start. I think the battery may be on the way out, annoyingly, but it's a fairly new, I think it's about 2 years old, Yuasa, I think it is. It's a Yuasa Silver with supposedly a 5-year warranty. So, I'll have to look into that. I think I'll have the heated seat on today. There we go.